Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. We just wrapped up the weekend here in Little Rock. 2 easy events, or well, I thought it was going to be easy. Ended up tearing up a bunch of stuff in night 1, which is what you guys just saw at the beginning of the video here. This video is going to be focusing more on the wrenching side of things here, trying to get the truck ready for the second event, and not so much on the driving and the competition side of things. So yeah, went for a pretty wild ride the first night in freestyle. Was trying to take it easy, and that's what I told myself. Ended up upside down, breaking the wheel off. So let me show you guys how the crew and I got it fixed up. What the? Thing is stuck. Holy crap. Oh God. Same thing. Get out of there. Why you broken? Come on, come on. Get off of there. Thank you. Oh my God. It's kind of sketchy. Gotta get this. As soon as we pop this top one, it's gonna be everything. Like,
yeah, this will hold it to a point.
yeah, we want to just let it swing out a little.
Oh yeah, just be careful. Stand back.
I mean, I can hold it.
Oh, it's not. There's no tension on it.
The tension's on the back plate, I think. Tension's on the strap right now.
Are you ready?
Yep.
That one's straight, right?
Yeah, just the bottom. Hey man, yeah, you know. Just over here doing a whole lot of nothing this afternoon.
Stupid ass truck. Yeah, we go from nothing to like, here we are.
Yeah, nothing to a bigger hammer. Oh yeah. God dang, dude. Really did it. It did a number off of nothing. Yeah, it broke bolts. That's kind of annoying. Well, good Lord. Also junk. Oh, got it. Hell yeah.
Get this out.
Well, I was pulling it out so we could get it out of it easier. Come on, come on. There we go. Yes, shit, come on. All right, that's cool. Oh yeah, that's what you want. Okay. Okay. Get this old knuckle out of the way. Fix that another day. Yeah. Go ahead and put this bad boy back on. Oh my God. Okay, put this thing on here. Yeah. Yeah. Aha. Because it's new. We'll slide this bad boy. Little bearing in here. A little sketchy. Like so. Perfect. Perfect. Looks great. I love monster trucks. All right. There we go. I'm ready. Pretty high.
Yeah. You bearing slid.
Slide back on. There we go. Perfect. It's like new.
Come on.
Yeah, run that on. Oh, fuck. Loctite caps off.
What?
Loctite caps fell off.
What fell?
I didn't put the cap back on.
I'm like, what are you trying to say?
It'll be alright. I'm good to put the planet on, alright?
Yeah. Oh, you hear me? You don't expect any less from us, do you? What?
Fucker.
Sorry.
Come on. Come on.
Well, the gear's gonna fight you a little, remember?
I got all the gears in the bolt gear. It's just the fucking axle. The sun gear.
What's that mean? The sun gear might be fighting. There you go.
I can't see the holes.
Just take one of your long bolts like this.
I got it. Perfect. Seems fine, no vibration, turns.